Relationship, connection between two. Whenever you hear the word relationship, the only thing that comes in your mind is romantic relations. But the word relationship carries a more weightage. There are some types of relationships. First, relationship with God. Second, family relationships or blood relationships. Third, close friendships. Fourth, marital relationships or romantic relations. Fifth, employer employee relationships. Sixth, business client relationship, etc. No matter what kind of relationship are you in, understanding and loyalty is must. When understanding increases, expectation decreases. Without loyalty, your relationship doesn't go long. Loyalty refers to the feeling of mutual obligation, commitment, and closeness that exists among people who are in relationship. First, relationship with God. Your first and foremost relationship should be with God because He is only your companion who is always with you. He guides you in every path of life and tells you what to do in every situation. He gives you divine wisdom. To listen to God's message, you must listen to your inner voice and intuition. You will never be lost when God is with you. Loving God gives you strength. The relationship with God is like a child father or a friend. You must love God because He loves you unconditionally. The other name of God is love. It is not about connecting to my God or your God. It is about connecting to our God. It's our relationship with something higher than ourselves that can give us love and allow us to love to others. When you know God is with you, you really don't care who is against you. You become really powerful and happy. Second, family relationships or blood relationships. Family is precious. Having a family means you have a roof over your head, people who love you unconditionally. Family members are who never leave your side even when you are at the worst of your life. They share an emotional bond with each other and also support in terms of financially and emotionally. Care, respect, secured, and make you feel important. Having a mother and father is such a blessing. Your mother worked 24/7 without being a complaining mode. Your father is struggling every day in and day out to give you the best life. You can't repay them what they have provided to you. You may help them later on a monetary basis, but you can't repay the love, support, care, and time. Sometimes little arguments and fights with your siblings suck, but believe me, they are the ones who love you truly and show their care at the time. The love of your grandparents is unmatchable. They taught you how to live a happy life with fewer demands and take you out from complaining mode to acceptance mode. They make you feel better when you are low. They make you feel a special and valued person. Third, close friendships. Friendship is one of the most beautiful relationships you can have. Being friends means you can share from pen to the dark secrets. You can talk shit on their face, meet in your pajamas, no makeup, share your food and things with no fear of being judged. Friends are like your family. They don't need to ask for your permission before coming to your home. They are like your family. If you are lucky like me, you will get your friends like this. I know after reading this, you might think this is not a series or movie, but trust me, friends like this exist. I am blessed to have a best friend circle. Even after knowing everything about you, they don't judge you for who you are. They respect and appreciate for who you are. If you are being judged in your friend circle, then I must say you must change your friends. Having friends who always there for you no matter what is such a blessing from God. If you are friends like this, keep it up then and choose wisely. Toxic friends who judge you, laugh at you, can bring negativity in your life. Being insulted in your friends group might be cool for you, but I am telling you a thing, people who can't respect you, can't be your friend. Close friends are necessary for optimal health and well being. Fourth, marital relationships or romantic relations. When you talk about romantic relationships, the very first thing that comes in your mind is love. But I think understanding is more important in any relationship. Understanding is showing kind feelings towards somebody. You might have noticed people who are in love or romantic relationship understand each other and unsee their mistakes just because of understanding. But it doesn't mean you have to unsee their mistake all the time. If you think that mistake should be corrected, you have to tell your partner or a family member or a friend very kindly to correct it, because it's good to maintain transparency in your relationships, that you can tell each and everything to that person you have got a relationship with rather than telling everyone else. When I'm talking about romantic or marital relationships, I say to the best of my knowledge, the more successful relationship is that when you can tell each and everything directly to your partner. Then your relationship should become ideal. No judgments, only understanding, loyalty, and trust are there. Trust me, this kind of love exists not only in real life but in real life also. But also, it's totally dependent on you and your partner. If you want a lifelong relationship with your partner, then you must maintain transparency in your relationship. So, being in many relationships is easy, but to continue with one for the lifetime is the most difficult. But when you truly love someone, it doesn't matter how they look. Love is about how happy you are with each other. Sometimes distance made you feel value close bonds. Fifth, employer employee relationships. When you talk about the employer employee relationship, the employer must trust the potential of his employee and the employee must have faith in his employer. Without respect and faith, employer employee relationships can't go so long. Appreciating your employee in front of everyone and telling about his mistakes in personal makes a healthy relation between them. Sixth, business client relationships. When we talk about business client relationships, again, transparency, conversation, and trust are important. A company or a businessman should not hide any fact or idea which causes suffering to a client, and a client should also maintain transparency and tell his business requirement to the company. To the best of my knowledge, relationships are like holding a butterfly in your hands. You have to learn the way of holding it in a right way. Holding it too tightly can cause a butterfly to die, and holding it too lightly can cause a butterfly fly. Never forget that you can't force a connection. We meet the right people at the right time under the right circumstances through natural vibes. Making any kind of relationship with someone is the easiest, but continuing it for a long is the most difficult.